Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix Shopee F00 error. So first thing you want to do is just type in Shopee down detector. So you type in down detector like this and just check if the Shopee service is down. So let me see. Users report no current problems at Shopee. Great. Also you can go to this website and check it here. Alright, so this is the first step. And the next step, guys, is going to your apps. So you just open up your settings, you go to your apps, manage apps. In here, find Shopee. For example, let's say I will take some kind of sample app. Let's take Battery here, for example. And you want to just uninstall it like this, and you go back to the Play Store, as so. You go to the search and re-download the app, all right, like this. And one more thing you want to try doing is just go up in here into your menu and make sure that you just switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. This might actually fix the issue. Try connecting through the app again once you switch. And if that doesn't help, just go ahead and long press and just restart your phone. Just reboot. Sometimes this helps. So these are the steps for you to try out. Hopefully this fixes you. If it does, of course, guys, don't forget to leave a comment, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel.